In this video, I'm going to show you how to test the Edwards EST SIGA-PS photoelectric smoke detectors. These are the Plenums. They're either installed in ductwork or in front of the ductwork. They are the similar SIGA-PSs you see mounted in other areas, but these are going to be inside or again in front of ductwork. So you see we got our ductwork here. So these will usually be controlled, or these will usually control a damper of some sort. So when you test this device, this damper, which is currently open, will close. So again, this is that same style photoelectric smoke detector that you see commonly in the hallways, but this is being utilized for HVAC shutdowns. So we'll just give it some smoke, see if we can get it to activate. Of course, with the airflow, this may not be easy. I should have brought my smoke pole, but it's okay. I think we can get it. There it is. So now it's active. And then hopefully in a second, we'll see this damper close. There we go. So the damper's closing. So it's just a little controller here, off to the side. All right, so now that damper's closed. So the damper controller, which you can see the info here if you need. So now it's closed off. So again, this is the normal smoke heads you see, but they are primarily used within the HVAC system. So they're either mounted near the open soffits area here, or they're mounted inside the ductwork, and they utilized to close dampers so you can stop the airflow, so you can stop smoke from traveling throughout the building through the air ductwork. Alright, so back at the panel, we got our device, third floor reception room. You get the details if I need the module number. So now we got a supervisor right here, so we're gonna go ahead and reset, and the damper should open back up after it's clear. Alright, so it's clear. And now the damper should open back up, and then we'll go check on that device. So this is going to be another example of a smoke, a SIGA-PS that's going to be in the duct work. So sometimes you'll have the fire damper little symbol here, and I've already loosened these, so I'm just going to remove this so it's easier. Take that off, and then you'll see in there we got a smoke head, and see the damper is open. So when I send that or activate that smoke, that damper will close. So this one's also like in front of the damper area, but it's inside this enclosed conduit. I mean ductwork. So that's inside the plenum. Let's see if I can aim my camera. There we go. See if we can get it. There we go. Okay, should close in a second. There we go. Right, and I'm on the wrong side, but you can see the hopefully damper controller there. Alright, so that's another example of plenum smoke that you'll find inside ductwork that will, when activated, control dampers to block airflow and also to stop any smoke that might be traveling from one section of the building to the other through the ductwork. Now I'll put the cover back on. Alright, back at the panel. Silence up my device here. Again, hit my details if I want to get the module number. But the damper's closed, so we'll reset, clear the device, and the damper should open back up. Alright, there you go. So the supervisor's clear, device is clear. So the dampers go up, so let's go check the device. Alright, and that is how you test the Edwards SIGA-PS or Edwards EST SIGA-PS photoelectric smoke detector with an HVAC, which is controlling our damper system. Again, to stop the air and smoke transferring from different sections of the building through the HVAC ductwork.